4 benefits of restoration as your roof impacts global warming. There is a shocking truth about how your roof and how it can negatively impact global warming. When it comes to global warming, every detail matters, including the type of roofing over your head. Since every building has a roof, and how that roof is maintained becomes a priority, so paying attention to these details matter. In this episode, I bring to light how it's surprising to many that the choice of roofing materials and maintenance strategies can significantly influence the global warming potential of a building. Understanding how to make eco-friendly choices for roof restoration and preservation is not just a trend, it's a necessity for a sustainable future. What is global warming potential? Global warming potential is a relative measure used to compare the impact of different greenhouse gases on the Earth's atmosphere. It quantifies how much energy the emissions of 1 ton of a gas will absorb over a given period relative to the emissions of 1 ton of carbon dioxide.